Greetings, Rowan here. This is a short video on Reggae wah settings in Logic Pro X. So this is how I set up my wah when I'm recording in Logic, or even when I'm playing live. It's very similar. I mean, I've done a video on this already, but I thought that it probably would be easier for me to show you this way. So at the minute, what I've got here, I've got the squash compressor in Logic, and this is just to even out the tone. So this, I've got the level on, the level is on about 6.5, the sustain is on -3.4, and it's on the fast setting. If you look at the wah, sort of like 2 from top, so it's all the way up, and just 2 from, so the top 2 or bottom 2, depending on how you want to look at it, is not lit. Okay, so that's how I have it. That will give me that tone. So the wah is almost all the way down, and I've used a EQ just to roll off some of the high settings, because it can be quite harsh in the digital world, I find, anyway. All right, so these are just basically, you know, effects that come shipped with Logic. They're right down here. So I'm using that one, that wah, not for any particular reason. I could use that one as well, but I didn't. And I'm using this compressor and obviously the EQ. All right, so I'm gonna let you hear the sound of how the wah sounds now. So it basically sounds like this. All right. All right, so that's how it sounds, and that is the sort of tone that I'm going for. Okay, so when you're trying to get a sort of like a wah tone, go for something sort of like in that ballpark. When reggae guitarists play on stage, that's what they do to get that Chaka sound when they're playing on stage, and it works really, really well. It's a fine way of getting a nice sound when you're on stage. All right, so try that out. Now obviously these are just my settings. You can experiment with it and see if you can get a better tone, and tell me about it, you know, and let me know what you think. You could also roll it back like so, and that will sound something like this. But I don't like the sound of that at all. If you're sort of looking for like a organ sort of tone, that would be great for that. If you haven't got an organ player, but I don't use that setting anywhere. Only if I'm going back and forth on the wall like so, then it will come in, and that's just for added effect. But I prefer to keep it right here. This is where, to me, it sounds best. All right, so try that out and see if you like it. All right, so have fun. Do remember to subscribe, like, and share, and also leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know what you think. All right, have fun, stay tuned. Do let me know what videos you want me to make in the future. All right, take care.